Hi, I'm Maggie Barnett. I am pumped today to open this because I get to eat it afterwards. Yes, this is from Fishwife, one of my favorite Instagram follows. Box is a branded box. It's so cute. USPS priority mail. Love that. Thank you. Oh, this is so cute. I got the starter bundle pack because there was too many things to choose from. I was like, just give me one of everything. Old school pans, multiple things of sardines. This is always a very nice little touch is to have a little sticker thrown in there. One of the things I love about the team at Fishwife, one, they're women owned. Everything is very much about sustainability in the environment. This is wild caught in the Northeast Atlantic. It's pole and line caught. It's a really good fish for you and also good fish for the environment. In keeping with that, the one note I would give this team is that if we care about the environment and sustainability, like, I don't need this. Like, it's cool. I have the email. I know everything I'm supposed to be getting. So like, I don't need a rundown of this. I don't need 3 extra things. And also move off the plastic tape and go to a paper tape. It's okay that it doesn't have the branding. You can get paper tape with branding as well. Just change that out because you already have the beautiful branding here. I'm super pumped about Fishwife. Thank you so much for creating an amazing product, and I can't wait to cook it.
Let's go fishing, let's make a day. I got